Hi guys, Jacob Coyle here with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Aquila 44 Power Catamaran. One of the first things you'll notice, look at how big the bow area is. 21.5-foot beam, plenty of space up here to lay out, to lounge, to move around the whole boat. We're going to walk up to the flybridge real quick and notice you've got stairs right in the middle going from the bow of the boat right up to the flybridge. One of the best features of this whole boat. Once you come up here, take a look at your seating options. Captain can sit here, he can have friends, he can have family over here. Very social atmosphere on this boat. You got the barbecue under here. Again, plenty of room at this table for 6, 7, 8 people, no problem at all. We're going to take a walk down here. We're going to go to the aft of the boat. But as you walk down, notice how wide the stairs are. Plenty of space, great stability, heading down the stairs. Once you come down here, another great lounging area. Plenty of room, entertainment-wise. You also have this table right here which can go down, so this whole thing can be a great sun pad, great for laying out in the sun, hanging out. You also have a dinghy crane right there, so you're able to have a tender with the boat. Now you're going to notice right here we've got some bar stools. What we have is this window will flip open, wide open bar. Come on inside, we'll take a look at some other things. Now this boat is a 3-stateroom, 3-head boat. Okay, you've got your 2 VIP staterooms on each side, both with separate heads and showers.
Take a peek.
As you come back up here, plenty of space here, okay? Got your salon here, dinner space, whatever you need right here. You also, this boat is equipped with our lower station helm. So if the weather gets nasty, or you just like driving from inside, this particular boat has this option on it. Again, Marine electronics. Now one of the best parts of the whole boat is the full beam master. Come on in and take a look. You got the full beam master cabin over here. Okay, plenty of closet space. You got little desks there. Okay, a vanity area. Huge bed, plenty of headroom. Over there on the port side, go down there, you've got a beautiful master head.
Yep.
One more thing we're going to show you here. I was able to open the bar up, so we'll take a look at it. What more could you ask for? Open bar, opens to the back of the boat. Have breakfast out here in the mornings. Have a sunset cocktail at night. Can't go wrong. Jacob Coyle, MarineMax Clearwater. Give me a call if you want to see one. 216-410-8559.